We are so pleased and overjoyed that you have chosen this site to you and to us, but it was the beginning for this one to be what it is today. Thank you so much. And anything that we can do in our little time and your endeavor desire us to have it be. We ask each of you to give thanks and praises as this program is being done because there is a story and an answer to every story. We thank you, we thank you, we thank you. Heavenly Father, I ask blessings over this group, I ask blessings over the event, I ask blessings over everything that has been prepared in its own way. I ask blessings over all of the participants, everyone that went forth the fourth mile to make this be an event. And we ask blessings that each of you, as you return to your destinations, that you find everything in order as it should be. We ask blessings over the Renshaw who are from my hometown. We ask blessings over them as they travel and do their performance and performances over everyone. We ask blessings over everyone who sits here to this head table and all of you who have been strong right now for us to be where we are today. We thank you, we thank you, we thank you. Ashe, 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 Ashe. If you have someone that you know that needs a special blessing of your descendant, just call their names and say Ashe. Mungeon family, Ashe.
Ashe.
Ashe, Ashe. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Mona. Oshe. Oshe. Everybody say Oshe.
Ashe.
Oshe. 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 That is true. That is good. Ladies and gentlemen.